You ever looked at old black and white photos and felt a strange sense of nostalgia for a time you never knew? Let's journey back to the 1930s. When we hear about this decade, we often think of hardship, struggle, and the Great Depression. The headlines tell a story of economic collapse and uncertainty. But if you look a little closer, beyond the newspaper clippings and into the daily lives of ordinary people, you'll find a different story. A story of incredible resilience, quiet strengths, and a unique kind of richness. The 1930s was a time when life was hard, but hearts were strong. The people were faced with challenges we can barely imagine today. Yet, in the midst of it all, they didn't just survive. They built things that truly mattered. They didn't have much in terms of material wealth, but they were rich in other ways. They built unshakable faith, not just in a higher power, but in each other. See, they built families that were not just households, but fortresses of love and support, where everyone pitched in and shared what little they had. And most importantly, they built hope. A stubborn, unwavering hope for a better tomorrow. Think about it. These were the ordinary days that became extraordinary memories. A shared meal, simple as it might have been, was a feast. A song on the radio was a concert. A gathering on the front porch was the social event of the season. Neighbors weren't just people who lived next door. They were an extension of your family, ready to lend a hand or share a cup of sugar. They found joy not in what they owned, but in what they shared and experienced together. It was a time of invention, not just in technology, but in spirit. People learned to make do, to fix things, to create entertainment from scratch. Maybe the 1930s were never truly hard times after all. Maybe they were just times that stripped away the known essentials and reminded people of what really lasts. When everything else is uncertain, you cling to what is real. Your community, your family, your own inner strength. This was the golden era of everyday life, where simple things meant everything. It teaches us a powerful lesson that still resonates today, that the greatest treasures in life are things we can buy, but the connections we build and the hope we carry in our hearts. Thanks for watching. If this story resonated with you, please like and subscribe for more journeys into the past.